Inspired by the eclectic heritage homes surrounding the Fitzroy Laneway House, Andrew Child Architect transformed and expanded an abandoned late 19th century house using a former laneway as the central design element. The restored spaces create a warm, relaxing, and playful experience within and around the family residence while engaging with the laneway's presence. Looking to the future, the interiors of Fitzroy Laneway House were expertly reworked to provide flexibility in every space. The transformed residence accommodates a young family that values the privacy afforded by the modifications, while opening up the spaces and fostering smooth transitions between them was key. Creating a sense of retreat upon entering the house was equally essential. The home's orientation allows natural light to flood the interiors, reducing reliance on external energy sources. As one of the many privately created laneways in Fitzroy since the suburb's early days, a narrow strip of land became a catalyst for organizing and separating the home's functions. The larger, more comfortable spaces, where people tend to spend most of their time, are located in the northern part of the property. In homage to its original use, the new addition along the former laneway serves as the main circulation route through the property, housing the more utilitarian spaces. The existing part of the house facing George Street in Fitzroy is one of 5 double-story Victorian terraced homes that together form the Charlemont Terrace. The intention to enhance the urban presence of Charlemont Terrace guided the formal and spatial character of the contemporary addition along this street. The remaining rooms in the existing portion of the main house were considered internal compared to the spaces in the new annex. This influenced the selection of materials and lighting, and the character of the transitions between the existing and new parts of the house further emphasized this distinction. Old and new elements are harmoniously combined, blending eras and grounding the dwelling in its context. The interplay between existing and contemporary features results in a bespoke residence characterized by distinct materials, lighting, and thresholds that celebrate both heritage and innovation. With sustainability and flexibility as priorities, the home's unique design allows its interior spaces to evolve and adapt over time as needed. Through versatile openings, adaptable furnishings, and clear, logical layouts, the house provides a foundation for ongoing personalization. By incorporating contemporary features into a heritage home, a sense of timelessness is achieved, transforming Fitzroy Laneway House into a physical testament to both the past and the present. With an established connection to place, Andrew Child Architect reflects this in the warm materiality used throughout the home, enhancing the sense of retreat experienced within. Uniquely, the house features two connected facades, different yet related to the neighborhood, each tailored to the pedestrian experience of its respective street. The separated but interconnected buildings, enabled by the dual facades, were explored to offer flexibility for living and working arrangements for the family.